So I welcome you to this here video. So today we have a few things to sort. This is sort of a part 2 of fixing common issues on my Rover 75. So we have the number 1 issue, which is you go to look in your rear view mirror and bang, your centre light has fallen down. And then we have the door that doesn't work, which is very good. That's only recently started. And we also have foggy lights. So let's see what we can do. I don't think I'm going to properly do this door yet because I can't get it open from the inside or the outside. So if you can help with that, much appreciated. I'm going to try spray some WD-40 in there first and see if it becomes unstuck. So let's get to it. Basically what happens with these is the heat causes the little mountings, as you can see there, to crack. I put like a double-sided 3M pad on it, but obviously that's decided not to work now, so the actual seals come off as well. So again, you can't really repair this, you can only really buy a new one. I don't have a new one to hand, so I'm just gonna glue the body of this to where it should go, so hopefully it doesn't do it again. But I'm gonna take it off first and clean this area because I'm not having a misty brake light or dust on it. So let's get to that first. So there we go. We also have my new toolkit, which is brilliant. Just got this today. So you've got a point of view of something as simple as fixing a brake light. We are going to do something to do with the engine cover in a moment. So on our smallest one, I'm going to bet it's an 8. Oh, it's just completely snapped on both sides now. That's solid. Absolutely brilliant. Or does it just, yep, snapped on both sides, very nice. Yeah, my bet was correct, it is an 8 mil. So, thinking I'm just gonna glue that into that bit and glue that onto here. I'll probably be able to pry that off eventually. What glue do we even have? I'll get that in a moment. So here we are, this part. So apparently, according to the forums, you're supposed to spray it in here. If I can actually get in there. Come on WD-40, do something. I don't want to spray loads of it though. But apparently this is supposed to sort the ailing issue. So let's hope it actually does. Just got to leave it for a bit. So I've been told. There we go, that's actually getting in now. Yeah, we'll leave that for a bit and see how it goes. So I was actually going to fix this, but like properly, but the garage, but obviously the second bolt is broken, so I'm just going to have to bodge it for now until I get a brand new one. So I will do that and you will join me in a second. There we go. That is not going anywhere anytime soon. Well, when it's set anyway. When it's set, it's not going to be moving anywhere. So there we go, that's that one job ticked off the list. Now we need to try our door. See, I can hear it pulling this thing, but I'll need to take the door off, I think. I'll try it from the outside shortly. Someone also told me to do that. So we will just turn her on. Not in gear. Don't do this at home. Unlatch the bonnet, fold our mirror in, go to the bonnet and open it. Now you can hear and you can see in here there is a little screw rotating around. There it is. So this, when it was last serviced, wasn't put in correctly because this is supposed to be together. So we're going to take all this off and we're going to realign it again. So let's just turn the car off because we don't want to obviously be doing that while it's on. Oh, so that's 2. And then I think we've got 2 down here as well. No, we don't. Right, so then that obviously comes off of the thingy-mabob. Oh. There. Right, I should ideally stuff something down though. Look at how bad that is. That's only been, hasn't been done for a year. This is clean. Just don't want anything to go in there. I know I've got an oil filter and stuff, but still. I haven't got another one of these, so I'm just going to bang it out. That's awful. I'm going to get a new one of them and chuck that in. Cool. Weird. Right, so let's get our thing. Oh, there is a screw down here. It's just, God, this is ridiculous. So this is why you don't go to cheap garages, even if they are your friends. They're not your friends when they're doing your car like this. Especially this one, which I'm not too pleased about this happening to. So I'll get this back in, you'll join me in a sec. There we go. The awful gap is no more, and this screw can't wiggle it, so we will not be hearing any rattling. Tightened up those at the back as well. Just need to get another one of those from somewhere, and some more of these little rubber grommets. So I'm a bit specific when it comes to this car. So next thing, if the weather allows it, is these. They're not too bad, it's just a general spruce up that I want to do, but yeah, these ones are awful. I was originally going to get them refurbished professionally, but I'll just do it myself for now, and then when I get a bit more pocket money, I'll do it. So that's 1 job sorted, 2 jobs sorted. Oh, there's a bit of crap in there. And then the 3rd job, let's see if that's sorted. I bet it's not though. Nope. So then we've got that other bit to do, the headlights, so let's get to that. Still need a bit more masking, but trick to do these in situ is probably you get a bit of masking tape and you curve it round at the bottom and then you put it straight through. Obviously I didn't do it on this one because I only just discovered that myself, but yeah, there we go, I've just done it. So on to the next set. There's our 1200. Don't do what I just did by chucking it on the floor, that's ridiculous. Inside the lens, kind of. Okay. This bumper, as you can see here, is a bit balked anyway, so I ain't too bothered. I'm getting a new one soon. Yep, that's looking a lot better, I think. Now it's just left to go over them with 2,500. This could be me making a mistake doing this, but hey ho. You win some, you lose some, but I don't intend to lose this one. So these are our lenses, all hazed up. Well, just need to dry this one off. All hazed up. Seems uniform anyway. I think there is a few little bits that are probably only recoverable by a seasoned trained professional like Rick. So shout out MG Rover Custom Car Parts for the amazing stuff. We'll get that done by them one day, but now it's time to use the weird alcohol wipes and then spray them. I'll have to obviously sort out the mess here first. So here's our first coat, looking better already, especially on this side. Just a real light coat for now. Looking good. Second coat, not bad. Closer. I think me doing the 2,500, you know, is really done it. They look decent. You can see there's no more of that awful stuff around it. It is still there, but it's faded quite a bit. But yeah, we've got a few more coats to put on and then we'll be done. Look at that. Very nice. So there we are, there is the finished result. As you can see, way more even than before. So we've sorted that, the awful noise, and we have bodged our rear, which we can't see, thingamabob. So that's about it. Thanks for watching. Keep watching. Remember to subscribe for more of this.